PDAM Surya Sembada Surabaya is a government services company that provides clean water services in Surabaya. This company has several large water treatment facilities located in Naga and Karangpilang. The company offers a variety of services including new installation, complaint handling, online billing information, and payment counters. For customers' convenience, PDAM Surya Sembada also provides a mobile application, namely the Customer Information System or GIS. However, these apps face major challenges in terms of customer adoption. Based on GIS user activity record data from October 30 to 2024, only 61,736 customers or 9.28% out of 255,820 customers were actively using GIS application. Apart from that, other problems with this application include frequent errors during registration, frequent problems with checking matters and paying water bills, limitation in purchasing water tanks, and general ignorance in using the GIS application. Overcoming this challenge is critical to increase user engagement and maximizing the utility of digital service for PDAM customers. Therefore, what is the most effective strategy to overcome the challenge of GIS application adoption?
So, with the background and cases faced by PDAM Surya Sembada, we decided to use the STQ framework or Situation, Complication, and Question framework to map existing problem. So, for the first one is, of course, situation. Currently, PDAM Surya Sembada has been actively developing its Customer Information System or GIS since 2016. With the goal of creating a top-tier digital platform that is widely adopted and highly effective for all its customers in Surabaya. Through a combination of online and offline campaign, the company is working diligently to promote the use of GIS and make it the go-to-go digital solution to water services in the city. But in this situation, PDAM Surya Sembada is facing numerous challenges and complexities. The first one, lack of customer engagement. This is proven by only 38.47% of the total customers downloading the GIS application and only 9.28% of the total customers being active users. Of course, this is the main problem and focus in developing and socializing the GIS application to customers. And second is technical glitch. Based on the data, we go from the GIS Ambassador Activity Report 3. In the first week of October, there were 369 complaints. Then in the second week, there were 330 complaints. And in the third week, there were 261 complaints. Even though the statistics show a decrease, a lot of effort is still needed to overcome that situation. And third, competitive landscape. Of course, in developing GIS application, there are many other competitors who have a more complete technological base, and this will be a challenge that need to be resolved. And the last one, or fourth, digital divide. The gap in understanding technology is something that needs to be paid attention to, especially among the millennial to baby boomer generation, who may still be quite taboo about technology development. So guys, with the existing situation and complication, we can summarize it into one big question. So the question is, what are the most effective strategies to overcome the challenge in the adoption of the GIS application, starting from technical improvement, feature enhancement, to more intensive and effective socialization and campaign effort, targeting all PDAM Surya Sembada customers, especially those who are less tech savvy.
So, to answer the big questions and crack this case, we conducted 4 analyses. For instance, the first one is Porter 5 forecast analysis. The second one is Facelet analysis. The third one is SWOT analysis. And the last one, customer persona analysis. to understand the situation facing PDAM Surya Sembada more comprehensively. The results of this analysis are used to create appropriate solutions and recommendations, and we provide the best solution to solve the case problems.
First, hashtag Untung Ada Chief through Marketing 4.0, and we use 5A marketing framework. And the first one is awareness, building awareness and familiarity. Provide information and engage the people of Surabaya, especially those who are less technologically savvy and may not be aware of the convenience of the application. So, the goal is to expand understanding of the main benefits of this application, such as water bill payment, complaint tracking, and account management. So, the solution PDAM will increase partnership by setting up physical stand in community center in Surabaya, both in cities and village, providing direct guidance to reach a wider demographic. And the second one is appeal, increasing customer interest and attraction. The attractiveness of GIS application needs to be strengthened by, first, emphasize its unique benefits and increase its usability. Second, address input issues such as registration errors and limited complaint option. And third, the goal is to make the application easy to use at every opportunity, one of which is practical features such as increased payment for shopping. PDAM will prioritize UI/UX improvement by launching targeted advertising campaigns, highlighting bill payment and complaint tracking function, and offer exclusive reward to the first user who complete certain action, making the app attractive and user-friendly. And the third one is Ask, addressing questions and removing barriers to overcome customers' doubt due to technical issues and low understanding of GIS application. PDAM will make troubleshooting and customer support resources more accessible, with the aim of reducing uncertainty and building confidence in the reliability of the application. With expanded the in-app FAQ, and second, introduce a contact support button, and third, as well as holding hand-on workshops to help less tech-savvy customers. Additionally, to align with customer preference, PDAM will simplify the payment process by integrating popular virtual account option directly into the application, making the platform intuitive and effective.
And then take action, drive action through promotion and incentives. PDAM wants to drive app engagement by motivating customers to use underutilized features such as recording of independent meters and new installation, which is still low despite recent promotion. The aim is to encourage consistent use by offering rewards for certain action, and then sending reminders around important promotional periods, and make the application always remembered by customers. To achieve this, PDAM will continue to offer incentives such as Umroh raffles while earning rewards for targeted action and adding QR codes to water bills that link directly to app features, thereby increasing customer motivation and regular engagement. The next is Advocate turns user into advocates. Encourage satisfied GIS users to advocate for this application. It aims to creating a network of engaged users who promote the platform in their communities. The second one is gather insights to improve customer experience and further strengthen trust. And the last is regular feedback session will also be held to obtain valuable input, which will be used to inform application updates and demonstrate PDAM's commitment to continuous improvement and customer services.
So, the second solution is increasing customer access and expanding service. To overcome technical obstacles and expand CIS services, PDAM must prioritize first, application stability, second, simplify registration, and the last one is enhancing existing functionality to enhance the user experience while introducing additional service. And the goal is to solve persistent technical problems, such as registrations error, and also improve application responsiveness. And PDAM could implement two solutions. The first one, by implementing robust updates focused on fixing bugs and optimizing speed, while simplifying intuitive flows for actions such as self-meters, logging, and complaint tracking. And the second one, by gradually integrating complementary services such as CRIS. This should be accompanied by in-app guidance enhanced to encourage features explorations, ensuring a seamless and valuable user experience that align with customer needs.
Based on comprehensive analysis of PDAM Surya Sembada's current situation, we propose a strategic approach to enhance the adoption and utilization of GIS application. Ultimately, this will contribute to overall success and digital transformation of PDAM Surya Sembada. PDAM can effectively address the challenges of low awareness, limited usage, and technical constraint. Key strategies include: first one is raising awareness, the second one is enhancing user experience, the third one is leveraging incentives and rewards, and the last one is building a strong brand image. By executing these strategies, PDAM can not only increase the adoption rate of the GIS apps but also enhance customers' satisfaction and loyalty. Ultimately, this will contribute to the overall success and digital transformation of PDAM Surya Sembada.